Clayton, Lights at Wholesale. A lot of the questions we get, or a common question is, can I install the lights that I get from a local retailer or local home improvement store? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Everyone does it. But our recommendation is to buy commercial grade product from a supplier who provides the product to professional Christmas light installers. Our product, it's better engineered, it's going to last longer, and it's going to look much better from an install standpoint. If you happen to purchase the lights from a big box retailer or a local home improvement store, you'll find that the wire only came in 25 feet. You can daisy chain them together, more fail points on your install, and you will either have one of two things. Either too much wire on your home and you're gonna have to hide the excess somewhere, or you're gonna have too little, because again, they only came in certain sections. If you buy from a commercial grade supplier who supplies professional installers their wire and lights, you will buy it in lengths that you need. You can buy this spool, as an example, in 250 feet, 500, or 1,000. Of course, as a homeowner, you probably don't need that length, and you can buy them in smaller sections of 25, 50, or 100. Again, this is commercial grade, not wire that you'll find at a local big box retailer. It's what all of the professional Christmas light installers use.